Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're watching this video, thank you. Today we are making frozen treats. If this interests you, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to be using blueberries, strawberries, red grapes, green grapes, Greek yogurt. Alright friends, at this point I'm going to cut all the fruits into small pieces off camera and we'll continue the video. So guys, all my fruits are cut and this is how I did them. I just went like so. That's it. For the grapes, I just cut them into two. So I did the same thing with the grapes. I cut some into two and I left some whole. Alright? So if you have the time, you can cut it. If you don't feel like cutting it, it will still work. Alright? Okay. Into a bowl, add yogurt and the fruits. And mix everything together. At this point, friends, we're going to transfer this into a sheet and freeze overnight. So friends, we're going to go ahead and freeze this overnight and we will be back with the end results. Alright, so guys, they're all frozen and I'm just going to dip them in the melted chocolate to complete the process. Guys, take a look at this. Our frozen treat is ready, and all we did was combining Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits with melted dark chocolate. This is the outcome. It's very simple to make, and you can have this as a snack any time of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Mm, 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 mm.